Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Pad Lite, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen and then swipe down again to extend the list of visible toggles, and then locate the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. First time around, it will ask you for access to audio and then bring up this window. So you can choose if you're going to be recording system sound or also microphone, or you can just interchange them. Anyway, from here we're going to select start recording, and it'll automatically begins recording, as you can see. So I didn't actually press it, I just kind of pointed with my finger. In any case, whatever you'll do right now will be recorded, minus things like garbage Netflix, which basically disregards that this is your device and does whatever it wants in the background, even though I'm not signed in, nor have I agreed to terms of service or give it any kind of permission whatsoever. But Netflix is a special piece of shit that will do whatever it wants. And here it is. So for people that despise this kind of blatant abuse of power, I guess, whatever you want to call this, I highly recommend checking out things like CloudStream. You can find it on GitHub and you can thank me later, and that one will allow you to record it. Now anyway, once you're done with the recording, you can interact with this overlay and then click on the square. You also have pause and a couple other options in there. But anyway, once you click on the square, it saves it, and you can now find it in your gallery application. And you can see it. I don't want to back it up. There we go. So you can see it right here. And you can also navigate to albums. And in albums, you'll find a screenshot album, which contains also screen recordings. Now you'll see right now the Netflix, which just kind of decided to block the screen recorder. So here is Netflix open. At least I want to give props where it's due. When we go back, you can see that OnePlus is a little bit better and lets us know that we can't record this. Most phones don't have this pop-up, so because when you're recording you don't even know that something is being blocked, you might spend hours recording something and not know that you just got a black screen. But OnePlus will give you this pop-up, and obviously you will be automatically aware of this, though it does disappear after a couple of seconds. So if you missed it, you kind of screwed it too. But in any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.